What's up guys? So today I thought for a video, which could be a pretty sick video, is to show you guys my office where I make all the vlogs, where I go live twice a week with the live streams, everything like that. So I figured I could share with you my office space and the place where my little dude bombards me and tears up all the time. But it's nice and clean right now and I'd love to share it with you guys. So like most starting off YouTubers, my office space is literally in my bedroom. Thankfully, we have a big bedroom, so I can have still a big office space. And trust me guys, I need literally all of this stuff. And sometimes it's overflowing out of like the corner and all this stuff, and it drives my wife absolutely insane. So I figured I'd share it with what I got going on here. I got a lot of cool stuff with a lot of sentimental stuff to me, and I figured I'd share that with you. And we can start off with the bomber from Star Wars. This was given to me by Outdoor Master when I signed with them for my contract with Outdoor Master, which is really cool. And then the sign behind it, I actually made this. It's a Colorado sign. If you didn't know, that's a Colorado flag. And I made that Colorado flag myself, which I was pretty proud of. And then I'm a diehard Halo fan. So this is just like the Halo guide stories. Just kind of like talks about everything Halo. It's a really artsy book. It's pretty cool, like super in depth. So I really like that book. It's fancy. I've got my Xbox controllers here. That's where I keep them. Xbox is up here. That's the TV we game on. I have it set up to where it is one hardwired, but two like to the internet. Same thing with my computer is wired. I have a cord that runs literally through the walls and everything, all the way up to the front of the house where we get internet from. So everything that's back here is still plugged in because Wi-Fi is just, can't do Wi-Fi guys. You got to plug it in. Fast upload speeds. But yeah, that's where we game from at the house. The corner over here is the gear corner. This is way worse in the winter because obviously it's like my jackets go here, like, and then got the drone bag. This is that big drone bag that I always complain about carrying around. Big old drone goes into here. You'll see the drone in a second. This is my big camera bag. I have 3 camera bags. This is by far my largest camera bag. I can fit literally everything I need in there. And so those kind of live there. Moving on to this wall. This is my backpack. All of these drawers have a purpose. Top one is all GoPro camera, like everything I need for cameras. These are all my gear. Like literally I have like goggles, hoodies, all the gear goes into there. Notebook drawer, laptop drawer, like literally all that stuff. Got my books that I read. These actually hold all of my video game stuff. I don't have like shelves for my games or anything anymore, so they all go there. But these are the most important drawers. These guys hold all of the Evolution stickers. Boom, boom, boom. Like literally every sticker that you guys purchase comes out of one of these drawers, and this is how I know when to order more stickers or make more stickers, things like that. So this is the sticker drawer. If you want Evolution stickers, they are available. They're linked down below, but that's where they live. File cabinet full of files. One of the biggest things about this whole desk right here, because the desk is the wall, obviously, and I built this myself. Not super hard to do. It's got like the brackets there, the little shelves, but I did stain the wood, cut the wood, measure. I mean, I made it to fit my needs, even put a printer shelf in there. I'm pretty proud of that shelf. The shelf is amazing. The one thing I really wish that I did when making this is I wish I sanded the shelves better because of dust. Other than that, the desk is amazing. Also, this super fancy office chair I bought before I even started the YouTube channel. I for some reason really wanted an expensive office chair. And I tell Bobby all the time, like, I have to have a nice office chair. I think because my dad had a fancy office chair that I thought I had to have a fancy office chair. So I got one. Of course, we got the Colorado Keep Evolving pillow. Those are available if you want one of them. So these are the headphones that I edit with. I got the Astro A40s, the YouTube logo. My little brother got me those side plates, which was really awesome of them. Things that I need to make videos on, so like extra cameras. It's holding my drone right now, a webcam. Halo sword, that's gonna be sick. As well as this drawer right here, just things that I'm working on, like products that I need to review, Evolution stomp pads, things like that. My little shelf thing to hold stuff. Got my flopping picture frame, which is awesome. And then of course the Stahl Sandback Pro Model board that we won from the Lines Challenge. If you haven't seen that video, you have to check it out. It's right here. Literally, it's like the sickest video I think I've ever made with Michael. Stahl Sandbeck and Gimbal God thought it was sick, and that's why they picked us as winners for the board. So please check it out. This picture frame right here is a really cool one. It's got the definition of snow and snowboarding. It's like from the dictionary. And so Bobby made this for me. The picture frame is super cool. But she did some transfer type thing. So like that, the trees and that is a silhouette of me are like on top of the dictionary page of snowboarding, snow and all that stuff. It's really cool. That's me. I was like doing a goofy pose, but she picked that photo and it's amazing. I love that so much. Starting on the top and working down, these are the Shredbot Custom Union contacts. They are so sick. They actually don't fit me. They're size medium. I ride size small bindings, but they only came in size medium, and they were the first thing I bought with the YouTube money. So back when I started the channel, I actually had a job, and that's how I paid all my bills. So when I was getting all this YouTube money, I was like, I don't know what to do with it. And then Torstein Horgmo, who started Shredbots, is my absolute favorite pro snowboarder. So when he released those, I was like, dude, I got to buy them. So that was the first thing I bought with the YouTube money, literally to put on display just like as they are. Plus the Shredbots are so sick. Well, a goal of mine, like a true goal of mine, is to get one of my videos on Shredbots. I think that could be the coolest thing ever. This little Dew Tour mug thing Dew Tour gave me when I came as a media person. Like I got invited to Dew Tour to make content this last season, and I thought it was the coolest thing ever to be invited by Dew Tour to go to Dew Tour, and like Dew Tour knows who I am, and like I don't know, it was really crazy. So that's kind of a cool sentimental piece for me. We got the drone, the heavy duty one. This is the new Mavic Mini that we've been rocking, but this is the DJI Phantom 3 Professional. This drone's a beast, but it's just too large to take everywhere. So we got the Mini. This guy's been with me since I was like 10 years old. Little snowboarder balancing thing, so sick. We all know, diehard Packer fan, gotta have the helmet. And then got the cute little picture frame from Bobby with little baby Roman. Dude, I love that so much. I keep my mountain bike helmet here because 1, it's cool. 2, it looks like Master Chief's helmet. 3, I have nowhere else to put it. And then this shelf, it looks super cluttery. It's because it is cluttery, but this shelf, it has the most purpose on the desk because it holds all the cameras we're gonna use. The Sony NEX5, this is our fancier camera. We don't use this that often, but sometimes we do. We have the Insta360 1R. This camera's kind of weird. It's modular, so you can like, this is a 360 piece. The whole camera comes apart. I never made a video on it. We got the GoPro, what is this called? Fusion? No, this isn't the Fusion. What is this? I forgot the name of this GoPro. This is the best GoPros I ever made. Got the 8. I think we got a 7 right here. The Max, which I film all of my videos with right now. We have an Insta1 360 right there. Another Max, a Flip, if you ever know what that is. This is one of those cheaper GoPros that's just sitting here. And then tucked back here, we got a Red Bull with Ninja on it because Ninja's sick. I started watching Ninja back when he competed in Halo, like before he was anything. And now he's like one of the biggest, obviously, of all time. And so that it's not truly about Ninja. It's about remembering Ninja when he was a nobody and who he is now. And like, obviously, hopefully that can happen with us. Like we're a nobody right now, but one day maybe we can have our face on a Red Bull can or something like that. And it's more of a motivational piece. Kind of like when I got sponsored by BBAD. This was the first ever BBAD I got from BBAD, or from the case that I got. So I'm holding on to one of those forever because we were sponsored by an energy drink company in the past. This is like a cool little gnome guy I got for Christmas. Literally just Packer gnome. He's sick. And then of course we got the Lombardi sign back here with a really sick quote of his. The difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. Where I kind of feel like that's the one thing I have going for me. Like I'm not the biggest, most athletic person. I'm not an athlete. I'm more like a halflete. The one thing I'll do compared to anybody else, I think you guys have noticed that, is I'll work harder than anyone because that's the one variable I can control, is getting up, working my butt off, and then, you know, now we get to do this for a living because of it. So I don't know, that when I saw that sign, it meant a lot to me. And of course, my boy Vince Lombardi said it. Now to the nerd part. Not too much nerd. We got all the SD cards we're using. I think we made Packers Super Bowl ring. Let's go. This is just my 2012 Imac. It's not a bad computer. It's getting the job done, but we need to upgrade for sure. Because we're also on a 2012 MacBook Pro when we travel. And so we're in desperate need of upgrading our computers because there's been edits where the playback will it won't show it at all. And so I'm literally editing a video by scrubbing. So I'm like, when I scrub it, think it looks good. And then it just old computer problems. But we have ordered a new Mac, and that is no longer going to be an issue. Of course, we have a to-do list. You always have to have yourself a to-do list. And then this is like a journal of mine. I've been writing down all of my thoughts on becoming a full-time YouTuber, quitting my job, because one day going back and being able to read this could be a really cool thing. These are kind of the biggest deals at the computer. These are two 4 terabyte hard drives. This is a really old MacBook one. And then this is a new Element one. And then we got our little Seagate portable. This thing, when I went to buy one, it's a 1 terabyte because I needed it for traveling. They only had pink in the 1 terabytes. And so I got the pink, and then I just threw stickers on it to make it look cool. But we travel with that hard drive. All of the vlogs go on this. I don't keep any, and I say this again, I do not keep any of the raw footage. I think that's just a waste of storage. If I do a cool trick, I'll keep that single trick, but I only keep the original vlogs. Like, I don't want it, like I shoot countless minutes of chairlift footage or B-roll or me getting ready or me sitting in the car talking. I don't want to keep all that footage, especially if I need to. And I've worked out so far has been able to go back to vlogs and rip the images that I need from that actual vlog. I think it's easier to remember that content as well. So, but always make sure you got a backup to your backup. Lastly, we have books. Make sure that you continue to learn, continue to grow. I feel like I've grown and learned so much in the last 4 years since starting this YouTube channel than I have in my entire life. I've dove in deep on entrepreneurship and YouTubing, and there's just so much content out there to learn from, especially on just YouTube, that I don't know. I just feel like I am a better person / smarter person and everything since going all in on this YouTube. And then this dude right here is a lifesaver, this Brickstone Leg Massager. Bobby got this for me last season because in the middle of the season when we were going super hard, my feet were destroyed, my legs were destroyed. And so she got me that to kind of help with the foot recovery. And it's a game changer, I'm not gonna lie. That thing is amazing and it saves the day. So now you guys know where I edit every single night. Either I'm gonna be staying up till 2 in the morning or I'm gonna be waking up at 4 in the morning and editing. Bobby hates it and I kind of hate it too because I do the majority of my editing while my family is sleeping. So I can spend more time with them and be like a rad dad and be a good husband for Bobby. So I'm willing to sacrifice a little bit of sleep / like stay up late or wake up really early. But since Bobby's sleeping right here, I don't get to have my light on. So I edit a lot in the dark, which is kind of, 1, terrible for your eyes, but 2, it makes it harder to be awake and to be more whatever. But many sacrifices. But the goal, I hope, is to either get a house soon with an office in it, or get a bigger place that we're in with it, so I can get my own standalone office, or literally get an office outside of this apartment. Obviously, those are all options. Those are all things that we'd like to do, but editing in the bedroom is not the most ideal situation because Bobby's in here. Roman comes in and butts in on all, like whenever I'm filming a video like this or doing something. So separating work from home will be a game changer. Because I'm not gonna lie, my office does not look this clean all the time. Dude, we're grinding. When you grind, you make a mess. Speaking of the little dude, do you hear that? What are you doing? Are you trying to break in here? But I'm filming a video. Are you eating chicken nuggets? He doesn't have clothes on, so that's all you'll see of Roman. But with that, guys, this is my desk. If you have any questions about my setup, what I film at, edit, all that stuff, guys, it's all linked in the, or ask the question in the comments and I will get to it. I'll answer all your guys' questions on this video. my goal is to always answer all the questions, but I wanted to show you guys I'm just a dude. Like, my office is in my room. We are trying to make it happen. I got cool little knickknacks that mean a lot to me, and I thought it'd be cool to tell the story behind those, as well as I went to take the mountain bike out today, and the back tire is completely flat and it's having issues, so I got to take it to a shop because I'm not a bike nerd. Hey, I'm filming a video. But as well as if you want any of my stuff, like my snowboard gear, my camera gear, any of it, guys, it's all linked in the description. Those affiliate links do support the channel, but as well as that's where it is. So if you want to check out any of the affiliate links, they're all linked down in the description. But also, snagging merch supports the dream. So many of you guys are buying the black hat with the white logo. That is now available. I used to just have like black evolution on like a red hat or a blue hat, but now we have the white. You can get white on red, white on black, and white on blue. So some pretty sick options for the hats, as well as just the normal merch or the stickers, guys. And other than that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for all the love, all the support, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.